time on site. So the command that we give prompt, what is the JavaScript that sent the trigger to Facebook pixel about time on site via Google Tag Manager. So go to Tag Manager, variable, click new, select variable, custom JavaScript, and in that I copy this code and I went to here, Tag Manager, Workspace. I go to variable, I go to new, that is what na new, yeah. Then click here, then click custom HTML, custom JavaScript or custom HTML, custom JavaScript, custom JavaScript. Save this and enter JavaScript, and you can name time on site. Name this variable time on site, fp time on site. Or I will write fp time on site. I save this. Right now, it tells that now you create Facebook pixel tag that triggers under tag. Click new. Click new. Choose custom HTML. Now, in this case, what we did, we just that created variable is time on site. Now, if we just created one tag which is scroll length FP, where we choose custom HTML and we gave this and we said scroll depth, right? Now, same way, if I follow the same logic, I go here and I name this FP time on site. Click here. I click here custom HTML. This code is it script FP track time on site. আচ্ছা time on site. But I already have one time on site, 1 minute time on site, right? This is Google Analytics, yeah. This is going to Google Analytics. Now it is this. So I think this is what? Yes. FP time on site. Custom HTML is this time on site. Let us Mm, Trigger, if I have already created, let me go trigger. Yes, 1 FP, 1 minute time on site, right? Yes, 1 minute time on site. 1 minute means unit tens, hundred, 60,000 milliseconds. Yes, I was just checking that. So we already have that trigger created. And if I save this, I think that is what it was telling. Hmm, yes, FP 1 minute time site, submit FP 1 minute time on site, and I publish this. Workplace has following errors. Okay, so this didn't work. Time on site.